Hello dear students, how are you today? I'm glad to be with you again. Today's lesson is Grammar, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Our subject is Adverbs of Frequency. Let's see, what is Adverbs of Frequency? First, let's review about present simple routines. We use present simple to talk about facts and things we do daily. In the previous lessons, we talked about present simple. The rule of present simple, the structure of present simple is just like this: subject plus he, she, or it plus main verb. The main verbs should take s or es, and plus complement. This is when we use he, she, or it as a subject. He goes to school at 7:30. The structure of present simple, when we use I, we, they, and you as a subject, is just like this. Subject, the subjects are I, we, they, or you, plus verb, plus complement. We don't need s or es. Example, they go to school at 7:15. They go to school at 7:15. This is about present simple routines. Let's see what is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency, like always, usually, often, sometimes, or never, show how often things are happen. These are adverbs of frequency. We call these words adverbs of frequency. They show how often things are happen. It's daily, monthly, yearly, how often things are happen. Let's see the structure of present simple with adverbs of frequency. It's subject plus the adverbs of frequency, like always, usually, often, sometimes, never, plus verb s or es, plus complement. We use adverbs of frequency after the subject. If our subject is she, he, or it, we use s and es after the verb. But if the subject is not she, he, it, it's I, we, they, or you, we only use the verb without s and es. The first one is always. Always is an adverb of frequency. Always is used when we do things every day. We use always when we do things every day. Look at the schedule. Every day in the month we do this. We use always. I always eat breakfast. I always eat breakfast every day. She always go to bed early. She always go to bed early. Every night she goes to bed early. The second one is usually. Usually is used when things happen on most occasions or in most situations. It's not every day, but in most of the time. They usually run in the park. They usually run in the park. Look at the schedule. We only skip some days because most of the days they run in the park. We usually play basketball in the afternoon. We usually play basketball in the afternoon. Often Often is used when things happen regularly or many times. Things are happen regularly. Regularly means, for example, every Friday or every Monday, every Saturday in a month. They often clean the house on Friday. They often clean the house on Friday, not in the other days, in Friday, on Friday. She often goes shopping on Saturdays and Sundays. She often goes shopping on Saturdays and Sundays. Look at the schedule. On Sunday and Saturday. Not the other days, but regularly. Every Sunday and every Saturday. Sometimes is used when things happen on some occasions, but not always. It's used to talk about things that happen in some occasions, not always, not every day. Look at the schedule. Some days of the month. Grandma sometimes tells us stories of her childhood. Sometimes, not every day. We sometimes go to climb mountains. We sometimes go to climb mountains, not every day. Sometimes can be used at the beginning of a sentence also, before the subject. We can say, sometimes we go to climb mountains. Sometimes, but not every day. Never. Never is used when things are not happen at any time. When we talk about things that never happen at any time. Never. Not happened. I never go out at night. Never. Not at any time. She never says bad words to anyone. She never says bad words to anyone. Never. So, never. Let's review. Adverbs of frequencies like always, usually, often, sometimes, or never, they show how often things are happen. Always is used when we do things every day. Usually is used when we do things in most occasions or in most situations. Often is used when we do things regularly or many times. Sometimes is used when we do things in some occasions, but not always. Never is used when we do things are not happened at any time. Never do anything. So this is our subject for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.